Okay guys, I'm going to give you a tutorial on our Ninja coffee pot. First thing is first, you have to push the power button. So once you push the power button, it comes up with some options on how to use the coffee pot. Currently, right now, we are just going to use this for K-cups. In the near future, we'll learn a little bit more about it, and you can actually make pots in here, and you can also make single cups from coffee grounds. But you also need to make sure that this is the water reservoir, that it's full with water. So we'll just add water to the reservoir in the sink here. Cold water is what they prefer. You should not be putting our hot boiling water in there. It's not going to help. It'll actually probably break our machine. So just cold water. If you're really wanting filtered water, you can use it from the fridge as well if you'd rather have that. But I'm just going to do good old tap. Set it back on. The reservoir right here has a little hook in on the side of the machine, and you have to put the lid on there. So that is ready to go. We have our water now. In order to make the K-cup, it says lift to open. That's all you do is lift that open. These are needles in here, like they're pokey, so do not touch that. You will get poked. K-cup goes in, and then you push down, and then this menu comes up for the K-cups. Basically, it starts out, you can make as small as 6 ounces, and you can go up to 12 ounces. So 6, and this little dial here is what you turn to change the size of your cup. And you can also use your own travel cups if you don't want to use our paper cups and save the environment. That's better. A smaller cup, our paper cups can fit on here. And then if you have a shorter travel cup, you can use this stand here. Otherwise, if your cup is taller, you just fold this up into here and your cup can sit right on this. Then there is also a brew style. So what this is for is if you want to brew it with a classic flavor, a rich flavor, which pretty much just takes an ounce of water out of the coffee. And then over ice, if you like iced coffee, we recommend that you fill your cup completely to the top with some ice, and then you can brew your coffee over ice. And then the last one is the specialty one, and it does change the size. You can only do 4 ounces for specialty. It's the espresso version of your K-cup. So if you want specialty and you just want a little cappuccino with a high strong espresso, you can use specialty. So we put the K-cup in there, and then you push this button here to start the brew process. The other thing is, if you do want to make some cappuccinos, we were doing this the other day, you can use this frothing handle right here. It is supposed to be put in the back of the on the side of the machine when it's not in use, just so it doesn't get broken off. But you can flip it out. Recommend if you're going to make a hot coffee, you should microwave your milk or cream, whatever you're going to froth, in the microwave for about 20 seconds. And then in a separate cup, you're going to froth your milk. Basically, you're just going to have the milk in a cup, put your cup in here, and then push this button and go up and down with the cream or milk or whatever you have in your cup. I recommend that you just use couple tablespoons of milk or cream, and then just froth it to the most that you can get it up on the top of the cup. Makes it nice and creamy. Once you're done, then this frother will come off, and you can rinse it in the sink, and then you can put it back on. And then this goes back like that. There is a scooper on here, and this is for making pots later on. Like I said, we'll talk about making pots later when we have our coffee parties here. But that's what that scooper is for. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell right now. So if you have any questions, I'm working here on Friday. Thanks.
Wonderful.